Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com and guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the swing trade that I am looking on Euro Canadian dollar. If you look at the chart, then this is the 1 hour chart that I can see on Euro Canadian dollar. So if we just put the trend line here, then you can see that the trend line says that it is into the very upward strong trend. So overall things are very much bullish on the 1 hour chart. But overall guys, if you look at this pattern that I'm just putting the line here, then you will find one thing, that from 1st of March and today it's 5th of March, the market is just stuck in this level and it's just ranging in this level. It has gone nowhere. We have seen a very less volatility in this pair. It has gone nowhere. So I'm just getting some bearish signs that it might be possible that Euro Canadian dollar can drop from these levels. And if we look at the 4 hour chart, then 4 hour chart is straight up, and also it has tested the Fibonacci 0% level, and that's the level 1.51180. So guys, on the both charts I'm getting the bearish signs. So if we go to the daily chart, then you can see that on the daily chart the market has break the 23.6 level of Fibonacci. But however, if you look at the complete pattern, then the complete pattern says that we are going down on Euro Canadian dollar. So you know that after the downward trend, it has made some recovery. That's why we have seen a strong upward trend on 1 hour chart. But if we talk about the long time frame, then I am looking things to be down. So that's what my analysis says on Euro Canadian dollar, that it might drop from this level. So guys, overall I am suggesting sell positions on Euro Canadian dollar. So if you want to trade this signal at your own risk, then this is what I think as per my strategy. And you know that previously I have given the signal, and if you watch my previous videos, then I have previously given the signal, a sell signal on Great Britain Pound AUD, and it was massively dropped after my video. So that's what I have seen, and that's what I am suggesting to my traders, because you know that there are a lot of subscribers on my YouTube channel. So it's my responsibility that I should give them some good analysis so that it can also help them. Overall guys, this is all about the analysis. I am suggesting the sell positions on Euro Canadian dollar. If you want to trade them at your own risk, then you can. Moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, you know that I am providing Fibonacci is a free indicator, but rest of the 3 indicators that if you see in my YouTube videos are the paid indicators. If you want to get those indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders so that everyone can get benefit from 200forexpips.com. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.